On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, Minitruck? What's up, Minitruck? What's up, Minitruck? How you doing? Minitruck? I like your army green. Look alright. Some call it olive drab. Made a little chainsaw holder. Look at all these. I know, it's been a long time. Let's go for a ride, girl. Finally! Oh, motor rider. Hey, it's not supposed to rain today.
I know.
What the hell? Crazy.
Soon after.
What make truck is that?
Daihatsu. Which Toyota owns Daihatsu now.
Really? It's pretty neat looking little truck. What's that, air brakes?
No, I got an air horn. It's loud.
Air hookup this for?
Here, ready? It's loud. That's so people see me coming.
Yeah. Where the hell do you get a horn like that? Holy crap.
The trucker places have them.
I wasn't anticipating that loud. I think I raced off the ground a little.
Have a good day.
Yep.
More moments later.
That's an old Mac. Mine was bigger.
Later.
Oh, look at that. America. Why they don't allow them to be used in the country on the back roads beyond me. They do have all the stuff coming in to put the supercharger on this. Piece by piece. You know, shipping slow. I know nothing about superchargers, so it's all going to be a learning experience for me. For us. It'll be a learning experience for us. Oh, look, tag sale.
Later. In the void.
She's got cobwebs on her even.
You could drive it once in a while.
Nope.
Give Minnie a break for a little while. Everybody goes cray-cray.
Much later.
Everybody talking about Minnie. They want to hear the horn, Minnie.
Much later.
Drop some boxes down by the campfire. Let's go for a ride, Minnie. Maybe we'll pick up those tires. Get rid of them at the junkyard. Everybody's been asking for you. Told me V for breakfast. Look at that. 3 minutes early. I saw him. Thanks, buddy.
You want one?
They don't have coffee where we're going?
Yeah, but this coffee's better. I was like, I wonder if he forgot about me.
Why?
No.
I'm 3 minutes early. Come on, V, get going. Oh, look, his brake lights aren't working. Too bad he didn't have a CB. Your brake lights aren't working.
You're kidding. None of them?
Nope, your blinkers worked.
Everybody down! want your money and we don't want to hurt anybody. We just want some food.
You.
Oh, yep, got it. Thank you. See you. They say. MotoCheez!
Well, if these guys weren't here, I would have hit the horn. Take it easy. Go get them tires. About that old Millbrook diner. Pretty neat building there. Pretty cool. Oh, look at the puppy. That's a nice brook down there. Wow, that is rocky down there. Boy, I wonder if there's a way to get down there. An easy way to get down there. There's that big rock. Almost there, Minnie. Here we are. Get them tires, Minnie. Oh, there, Minnie, you did your good deed. Sun's not exactly right, but let's see what we can do. Water. Make sure there's no ticks. Good job, Minnie. Minitruck. That saying, you don't have to go fast to have fun, applies to Mini too. Going to France. 5 going out today, boys. 1 going to New Zealand. Got a bunch more going out. You guys. You guys are too good to me.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.